Hi everyone, Sabrina Taylor here. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to my subscribers. So today I have another variation of the flip tags that you've been seeing me do here on YouTube. Let's just jump right on in. I have two versions. I have the modified version that's cut like a traditional tag, and then I have the full version. And remember, when you do these tags, you don't have to cut the angles. All right, let's dive right into the full version. I do want to say before I move on, it helps the channel when you hit the like button. So if you like the video on YouTube, please hit the like button. It helps the channel when you leave a comment. So I can definitely use some encouraging comments. And please share. All these things help the channel. If you're doing a video that's based on the work here, I would really appreciate it if you link back to my video. That'll really help my channel. Please link to the video, not the channel, but to the video. Okay, let's get started. So it opens up like a book, and you have some journaling space here. You have some space here that you can put an image on, turning it into an album. You can put a pocket on it, and then it opens this way, this trifold type of opening. And again, you have some journaling space here to put pictures on, or a pocket. It flips open again, and I chose to make these some pockets. Okay, and then we'll turn it over like we usually do. It opens in the reverse, and again, journaling space here to do what you like. Then we have that trifold again, more journaling space, more space to do what you like. And it flips, and I chose to make pockets. Now, it doesn't end there. I always like to give you that flip up. So here you have some journaling space here, and you have some journaling space here. And then you are back to the beginning. So that's the full version. Let's look at the modified version. So the modified version opens up the same way. Okay. And then that trifold flip, pull over, and then you turn it over. It opens in the reverse. That trifold pull out, okay? And then we get the flip up so that you have some journaling space, or you can do whatever you like. And then you are back to the beginning. Okay, so how did I do this? Let's get started. So here is what you will need. As always, you need a sheet that is 8 1/4 inches by 11 inches. And you're going to score at 2 3/4 inches all the way down. You'll score again at 5 1/2 inches all the way down. You'll turn the paper and you'll fold it in half, what we always do, okay? But this time, what you're going to do is you're going to cut all the way over to the start of this score line, okay? And you'll get something that looks like this, okay? And then what I did was I lightly folded a little bit, and that helped to make this bend a little bit easier. So you're going to take your right hand and you're going to bring it to your left. Okay, you'll crease that down, then you'll turn it over, and you'll do the reverse. So I had folded this a little bit, and that made it a little bit more flexible. Then you'll take your left hand, you'll bring it to your right, okay? And then you'll just close it, okay? Turn it over, because this is the front, because it should open up like a book, right? And then There's your trifold, okay? And then when you turn it over, it opens in the reverse, okay? And then it pulls to the left. There's your trifold. And then it opens up, and here are your journaling spaces. And now you're back to the beginning. So this is the modified version, and you can stop here. If you want to do the full version, then you need two more pieces, and these are the same size. These are the same sizes, and they are scored the same way. So these two pieces are 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches, okay?
Score at 2 3/4.
And what you'll do is, let me get the scoreboard out of the way. So what you'll do is, okay, so the right side, you want to make sure that you're on the right side and that the it folds up. If you'll know you're on the wrong side if it's doing this, okay? So it should fold up, and then it opens up like a book. That's the cover, okay? So what you'll do is you want to get to that trifold section, and on this panel here, you want to glue 1, 2, 3 sides, okay? And then you want to glue that down right here, and that's how you get the pocket, okay? Then you'll turn it over, okay? And then we have that trifold, and you're going to glue the pocket this way, and it'll be 1, 2, 3 sides that you're going to glue on, right? You'll glue that down, and that's how you'll get the pocket here. Okay, so let me do that, and then we will start wrapping things up, okay? Okay, so it opens up this way, opens up this way, turns over, opens up in the reverse. There's your trifold, opens up again, your pocket, flips up for your journaling spaces, and then you are back to the beginning. Okay, everyone, if you like this video, please share, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.